You see that? You see that? You see that? Me now, Parisian say, I will never power up with nobody with Grace Almentan as enemy. Remember me no hungry, me no licky. You will never see me as much as you see. I'm going to show you something. Macadam talk to me, you know. And because me and the Macadam story, me just keep away. Nothing. See, when me and Spice a war, when me and Spice da war over there, see nothing come there, and nothing there. Me never look at nothing. All of who people were war with Spice and me and Spice fall out. You're not going to see me and them. You can't see me and them. Because that me never real. Me not have nothing against them, you know. But you wasn't my friend. So why? Me I got friend, you know. Me stay by myself. That's all I feel. I feel like I should stay by myself. I don't feel like me to mix up with the enemies then. But I kind of feel bad when me say that. Yes, me talk. Me know my more. Everybody come to know our team more. The team no care in talk. Okay? So me now go say me no talk. Me talk a bag of thing. But when me talk, me don't talk. Me leave it there so. Alright, let me address a question. Somebody say, why you not always... Oh, I think I me ask that. Why you not always... when I come in, I text them to buy you loyal, alright, let me tell you this. Let me say me can... But you see blogger them now, I want to be afraid. Let me say this. Do you ever speak to Spice from the mix-up? Yes. Do you guys fool? No. Are you guys enemies? No. Is there a big secret regarding you guys that we soon know the real story? Yes. When is that story when we're going to know what's going on with you and Spice, or if Spice decide to address it? Yes. You will know after April. After April or within April, any secret, anything you need to know, you will know in April. So any little adjustment or any address where Gracie need for address, you will need. But one thing me I try to say overall, no matter all on the blood clad say, we are get the Grammy. No matter where you see, we are get the Grammy. And you know the funniest thing, me there say I laugh at me and chill. I say look at a whole lot of no dirty blood clot. You not kill up on yourself. You not bury Gracie. You not cuss Gracie. You not class Gracie. You not laugh after Gracie. You not scandal Gracie. Me look over here, sir. Me dep on this and me say, look at no dirty blood clot. Look how me and mama and the whole of them are going to run around the kitchen. Look how mama going to run around the kitchen and bust blood clot liberty. And trust me, you know, when mama come... Hey, let me tell you something. You see when mama run around the kitchen, me I run around my car. You see when... Because listen what I want to understand. I want to understand this. I'm going to give a fuck on there. Say, Gracie can come sue me and that not happen. Me have been put in that career. And me no stop no girl or no boyfriend be prosperous. We no bad mind. But to when me see what I'm going with, it not gonna work. Me dey back in the thing. And this time me dey free. Hear me I say to everybody, breaking news. Listen to this. It's because we not like around that fight, which is me know a long time, I'm a cut and I quit. And see everything wanna go on. Now go fucking monkey. She have to get the Grammy. But fucking monkey. Because with everything we're going right, I saw some monkey fucking have to go on because we have to get the Grammy. Because all this you not kill up on yourself, and all who about liberty, the right formula, you know. The right formula now, you know, is just boom, and the Grammy goes to Grace Almentan. The one who go and drop down and dead. I am waiting because that is why I'm there back. And this is what we don't know. Ask any Obia man, any spiritual man, in a situation like this, where you have a client who mix up with choosing, is it there any spiritual powers can make 4 person? Then in one energy, there's a spiritual powers can make 1 person be selected. Daughter will no woman. But remember now, if the person good. So your homework is if three person in a competition, can spiritual energy allow only one person to get connected? And if the answer is yes, then on the max it. So what I am saying to my royal fans is, me no matter what I go on, me no matter what them say me a hypocrite, One thing me know, me tell Gracie, excuse me Gracie, me have come for the Grammy, but me of course you again, me not a friend, One thing me tell Grace Almington Spice, his sister and his mommy. Wagwan, me know say Gracie not like me, she hate me, but watch her now. Me not like Wagwan. Tell her say, me I go for the Grammy. Me know she hate me, me know she not like Wagwan, but tell her say me there back. Me I go for the Grammy. Let me tell you this, people. I go for the Grammy for true. And my fans them don't know what I want because the fans them, let me tell you when you used to crack the code. Remember me tell you say lick it trophy. Remember my fans them. Remember me say lick it trophy. I me tell you say my fans me chat too much. You know say me chat too much because most of the time I try to hide the things them from you, but when me can't take it no more, I come out from chat. But this what we have to do. We have to understand code you know. Because when me can't do it no more, I come chat. Because when me allow lick it trophy. Listen, when we show you something, fans them, when I lick it trophy, I take control. No worry about the blogger them and the people when I understand. We attack to the people when know what the people when understand. We know from day one. It's when I say lick the trophy and thing, the trophy wasn't in place. The trophy wasn't in place. The trophy was on the other side. When we down in Jamaica, and we say Ko and Ray, and we say we are lick the trophy. And then when you hear say trophy get leaked, and then you hear say Ray. And so me, in other words, me I try to show you say, if the trophy never get leaked, spiritually, remember first me tell you me I leak the trophy, me I thought people will understand. So the leaking the trophy spiritually, and then you hear say the trophy get leaked, and be specific. I say to you, me go lick the trophy from walking from back and front down to the aisle. Watch that video there. Me go lick the trophy from walk from back and front to the aisle. Okay. So the energy now, spiritually now, just like the immigration, just like your court case, which is me do court case, me do immigration, just like the immigration case. I'm on the case. I change the energy for the atmosphere for you to get the green card. So I change the energy. No for no have the spice and I get it. And really have a fact, me not lie. Most of you say on yourself say, you no see it. No for we are real die-hearted fans. We're true to the best game. Look into yourself and say, to the rate how I see it I go, me don't want she get it. But Lord, them are people here now show no love towards her. So but me never know, me I watch. Because them people not too show no love and our energy if you see. But we don't need no love. Because let me tell you something. Let me tell you something more. And I me a look, I earn at this, But you see the beat no and go on, me not like it, Because Gracie hype and show off, yes. But what me I try to say to you is the beat no one going right now out there. Me not like it. I could go into some look detail because someone don't want to mix up now. So me could say this now. Ladies want come out. Me make me something to you. Ladies want come back in a dance hall from me come out, come bust the secret. And it's me I try to show it. Me say me can put on me on a read. Me say me can turn the. Me say me can make the 633 on a turn a reader, man. Alright. Boom. Mama gone to church. You're nothing about Mama. Mama turn Holy Ghost Christian. Last time we checked for Mama file, Mama with her dry head. Mama that beat me with the dry head so bad. Till me I said then the Holy Ghost couldn't give him some cream. Because Lord the way Mama did gone from 100 go right down to 0. Remember the timing, wording. Remember Mama was so holy. When I look at Mama page, I said to myself, say, ladies, I never give them no overtalky if it say, it's like the way when a woman take on church, you couldn't get nothing for talk to say. No holiness. She proved the holiness till you feel like say the holiness dead because everything about her atmosphere and her clothes was so holy when she run in there. Me want to no me have be real, in front and God, man, I'm read, When mama in that, when we check, no, mama.
They didn't call me.
Them my board, no?
No, when she came up,
Take up your jacket,
No,
I mean, I can't load. I tell them I buy no. Anything you go buy, you carry yourself. Tell us. I can't load. So, hold on. Me not finish talk yet. Me not finish talk. When ladies are run going to church, I was so feeling good. Come here and say, look how, in a sense, I have to take on the Christian world good. The whole dry head, the whole holy good, the whole natural, the whole, the whole works. Since me come out, and me come bust out the secret. You notice since me come out, she come for me and Gracie in a full force. She go for all music. From me band, me no go up your man. From me band, me no go up your man. Me soon alright. Tell them me soon alright. Me sure without a doubt. My God will work it out. Tell the enemies no worry about me. I'm sure without a doubt. You see, me soon alright. Me soon alright. No money no me but me soon alright. From me born, me no go up your man. Alright, all of these songs is for me and Spice. Back song, a demon light up a witch. So she come out strong. Because she realized that RT boss not dead there. Me was the problem. Me was the blockage. Me was the man. So she come out and she bust liberty. Notice her from RT come out this December. Ladies are change her Christian slang. You don't notice if an RT boss come out December, ladies are no bother Christian. You don't notice if me come out December, every blood clot energy change. Mama come out and I sing song. When me see what they are when you hear me and play, am I famous? When me reason we do not say. Me say, Mama, when you play Am I Famous? Me say, Mama, we don't know you're famous already. Nobody you know you're famous. Away I try pull. Mama see the hype we're going with Spice and Seat and can't imagine it. So she have to come out and say, if I was famous, because fear problem is Spice erased the energy. Spice now left nothing to say. Hey, big up. What fear big problem, right? She was a queen. And if Spice did come out to come say, big up Mama Saka, say Spice now again Amitage. Spice give to other people because she no need to get it. Both me and Spice no have nothing to do with Lady Saka. Me and you're wicked. And no for una artists out there where no understand how una hate me. Una hate me for no reason. Let me tell you this. Una stand glad me pull the blood clot gate for Spice cause ladies and I hope man did lock it and me come back and me lock it pull right now still so send she I walk through it. I'll marry come through it. When the blood you see when me pull the blood clot gate, let me get a joke. You see when me pull the blood clot gate, I marry come through there first. When me pull the blood clot gate, I'm a rise out through the dance hall gate. You know, sister Nemo, Nico come out. You know, see Nico mash up everybody life. No, but seriously, me say it like joke, but me say it like joke, but we know the reality of it, say me not tell them. Yes, what's this? Me say it like joke, but me know, say. And a lot. Me notice me see people that say from what they have. I get a joke. Me still not take it up like a fun, right? Everybody takes me, RT lock back the gate. Lock back the gate. Why would you say that like a something there now? Because me find it funny now, Every minute, you say, RT lock back the blood clot gate now. What me see one woman text me and say, she tag and say, me can't bother with them the same thing, Me don't know why RT not lock back the blood clot gate. Too much problem. Sorry. That the people have said, the people have locked back the gate. God no. I mean, but them people that take that them thing as serious. And people say lock back the gate, do me a beg you lock it back. You come like when the gate lock. Because the people are not the people them say lock back the gate.